Hello students, another important and very easy chapter in mathematics, probability. So last 15 years paper analysis from 2009 to 23. But here section MCQ, 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 3 marks and 5 marks. So only one concept is there in this chapter, but all the sections are very important. But here practice problems based on direct probability as well as probability of either or, probability of neither or, that type of question you can expect in section C and D. Also, if from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, if ace cards are removed, find the required probability, that type of probability also. Regular probability with total sample point is 52, whereas if some selective cards are removed, remaining cards discuss the problem. That type of questions are very important in section C and D of probability chapter. Also practice MCQ. You can expect more MCQ from probability chapter and focus more on basic calculation. One of the easiest chapter, but you can easily make mistake in this chapter because of overconfidence. Okay, so concentrate all type of problem. Also indirect sums, for example probability of either or neither or type, that type of question also. So to get full mark you have to focus all the section in probability chapter. Good news for students of class 8 to 10 CBSE and State Board. If you are preparing for board exam or JEE or NEET, so join our Telegram channel Marvel classes for free sample papers and short tricks videos and sample papers for annual exams. Also join our Telegram channel exclusive for math question papers and math videos. And if you want to check concepts through videos, join our Telegram channel for mathematics, Marvel Maths, for science subject, Marvel classes. If you want in videos in Tamil, Marvel classes Tamil, Marvel classes Tamil. Here the videos are only in Tamil. For English, science subject, Marvel classes, and in Marvel Math you can watch concept based videos, problem solving videos, exam tips videos and paper analysis videos. So if you subscribe that video, you can easily get all board support videos. Subscribe our YouTube channel, also join our Telegram channel. Thank you.